Hi everyone, and welcome to Vietnamese Home Cooking. As promised, I'm now back to make another batch of Crab Rangoon following some of your suggestions from the previous Crab Rangoon video. It came out so amazing. Both of my daughters love them so much, and I'm very thankful for all of your advices. Thank you so much everyone. For the filling this time, I will add 1 whole head of white onion, cut into small cubes. In a hot pan, add in a little of oil, add in the onion, half teaspoon of mushroom seasoning, saute until golden brown. You can add half teaspoon of sugar if you prefer more of the sweet taste. When done, put aside and let it cool down. Here I have 16 ounces of imitation crab meat, but you can use real crab meat if you have it available. Many of you ask me why not real crab meat. Unfortunately, my oldest daughter is allergic to real crab meat, so imitation crab meat it is again for this time. Add in the sauté onion to the chopped imitation crab meat. 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 full cup of scallions, 16 ounces of original cream cheese. One of my viewers suggested to leave it room temperature 1 hour prior the preparation time, so it's easier to mix. Thank you so much, Richard, for the awesome tip. Now that we're done with the filling, let's make the rangoons. Place the wonton skin on a cutting board, wet all the edges with water. Place a spoonful of the filling to the center, fold in half to the triangle shape, smooth it out to get rid of the air pocket. It's so much easier and faster than the star shape. Thank you, Lorik, for giving me this amazing idea. But if you prefer the star shape method, please click on the link to the last video that I put in the first comment. Heat enough oil to the frying pot. You can test the heat with the chopstick like this. If you see the bubble around the chopstick, then it's ready to add in your rangoon. Deep fry until golden and crispy. The smell is so amazing. I can't wait to try this. For the sauce, I'm just combining a mixture of 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of honey, but you can dip it with any sauce that you like. The taste is so much better than the last time I made. Very flavorful. Thank you so much everyone. Couldn't make it better without you all. There are more suggestions from you guys, and I can't wait to try them all. Thank you for watching everyone, and see you next time.